E-learning with NUT Endomorder Science School, MENA.
Good day all. This is Teacher Wasi Online. You are welcome to a literacy class. Today we shall be looking at the topic asking and answering questions on present continuous tense. Our topic again is asking and answering questions on present continuous tense. This is the topic that we shall be looking at today. First and foremost, from our previous lesson, last week we discussed present continuous tense. Let's quickly have a flashback of the definition I gave last week on present continuous tense. And we said present continuous tense indicates or shows that a task is still going on. It is present continuous because an action is still ongoing. Like what I'm doing now, I am still teaching. I have not finished teaching. I am doing something now. I am teaching. I am talking to you guys. You guys are listening to me. Then also, when a question is asked and the response indicates that the task is yet to be completed, the answer will be in present continuous tense. Somebody just meet you now and asks you, what are you doing? Definitely your response that moment will be that maybe you are reading, you are playing, or you are even resting. Let's quickly go to the topic of the day. And let me remind you again, the topic is asking and answering questions on present continuous tense. This is question number 1. Somebody just asked you this question. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you see my question tag? It's indicating that this is not an ordinary word sentence. This is question. This sentence is what? Is asking a question. And then let's see the answer to this question. I am sleeping. Depends on the situation that the person meets you that moment. Maybe you are playing and that person just asks you, what exactly are you doing that moment? I am playing. Question 2. What are you doing now? Hello, what are you guys doing now? You are listening to literacy online class. That is what you are doing now. Then the answer will be, I am reading. It depends on the situation on ground. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I am reading. Another question here. Are they wasting the water? Are they wasting the water? Are they wasting the water? Let's see the response. The answer to this question is no, they are not. No, they are not. They are using it. And if the answer is yes, you can say yes, they are. They are using it. In question 4, what are the boys doing? What are the boys doing? What are the boys doing? Let's see what the boys are playing. The boys are playing. The boys are playing. Are the girls cooking? Are the girls cooking? Are the girls cooking? Yes, the girls are cooking. Let me read it again. The question, are the girls cooking? The answer to that question, yes, the girls are cooking. If the answer is no, all you need to do is to change this YES to what? No, they are not. Yes, let's quickly look at the first activity here. Answer these questions in present continuous tense. In present continuous tense. Don't let us forget the definition of present continuous tense. We said present continuous tense indicates that an action is still ongoing, yet to complete. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Is your mommy standing? Are you sleeping now? Is your father dancing? Are your parents playing? Answer all these questions on your literacy notebook. Answer all these questions on your literacy book. Let me read again. What are you doing right now? Is your mommy standing? Are you sleeping now? Is your father dancing? Are your parents playing? I want you to answer all these questions in your literacy notebook. Now let's catch little fun. Now phonics today, we shall be looking at phonogram shun and shun. Phonogram shun and shun. These two phonograms sound alike. But let's pay attention. Let's listen carefully, because I want you to achieve something very important here. This is T-I-O-N. This is called phonogram shun. It is not tion. If you pronounce it phonetically, you call it what? Tion. But this is phonogram what? Shun. And it is short phonogram shun. Let me say the first word. Someone read this for me. Someone read this for me. I have education. Education. Fabrication. Again, fabrication. And you see the shun here? The phonogram that we're talking about, the short phonogram shun. Again, somebody read for me. Reduction. 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 This is fraction. We have deduction. Deduction. Congratulation. Congratulation. Then we have the second one. For this, you can have a whole lot of examples under this. We have numerous examples under this. Then the long shun, as in S-I-O-N, shun. This is long phonogram shun, and this is short phonogram shun. Let's see words under this. We have mission. Mission. Can you see? S-I-O-N, not museum and not mission. It is mission. We also have vision. Again, vision. We have revision. Again, revision. We have mansion. Mansion, a gigantic house. Mansion. Then we have division. Division. Then we have tension. Tension. We have tension. These are some of the phonograms that we shall be looking at today. And then let's take note of this. This is reading, and I want you to pick up your modular English. Your what? Your modular English. Open to page 89. In your modular English, open to page 89, and then in page 89, you're going to find an interesting story there, and it is titled Fighting in Public. Oh my God. Fighting in public. I don't like this. Fighting in public. In the first place, let me ask, is it normal for you to fight in public? Fighting is in public. Is it good? Is it a good practice? Is it a good practice? If it is a good practice or bad practice, just go to your modular English page 89. Then the title is Fighting in Public. Then open to page 92. Then answer only exercise C in your literacy exercise book. Don't forget, in your modular English page 89 is to be answered in your literacy exercise book. Make sure you answer all these questions on page 89 in your literacy exercise book. This is going to be the end of our literacy class for today. I want you to practically practice personal hygiene. COVID-19 is real. Stay at home. If you miss your friend, pick up your phone and just call them, tell them hi, and then they will hear you from wherever you are. Thank you. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.